Welcome back to SAIA TV. It's day one of the convention, and this year we're in Fort Worth, Texas. Registration's going on right now, and there are people in from all across the globe. We have people here from England, from Japan, from Italy, and of course, high representation from the United States. Product demos are going on, competent person training is going on today, and of course the exhibitors hall will open up here a little bit later on yet this afternoon. And oh, look what we ran into. Don't forget, coming up in January, it's the Scaffold Builders Challenge in Las Vegas at the World of Concrete, brought to you by Lair. And this is the belt that you'll have the opportunity to win if you've signed up for the Scaffold Builders Challenge. A lot going on here at convention, day one. Let's find out what else is going on and see what Alex has to say.
I'm here at the SAIA convention floor where things are currently getting set up for the exhibit hall later today. We have more than 40 exhibitors on site. Things are kicking off here in just a few hours. We can't wait to see you.